Have you ever wondered about the secrets to truly satisfying your partner in bed? Or why some women feel more comfortable with certain types of intimacy? In this video, we're diving deep into fascinating and little-known facts about female sexuality, including tips that could transform your intimate relationships. Stick around until the end, because we'll reveal powerful techniques to overcome premature ejaculation and enhance your love life like never before. You won't want to miss a single detail if you haven't subscribed to our channel Stoic Life Journal yet. I encourage you to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Your support means a lot, so if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up to help spread our message. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoy the content, please comment 1 below. If it doesn't resonate with you, leave Diva 0. Your feedback is crucial, as it helps me create better videos that align with your interests. Now let's get started. As we conclude this video, we'll be diving into valuable advice on how to finally tackle the issue of premature ejaculation for those who are struggling with it. This video is packed with a wealth of information, so let's dive in and explore together. You might be surprised to learn that women with larger breasts sometimes experience discomfort during intimate moments. This is because men may ejaculate more quickly, impacting the overall experience. For many women, a tender kiss on the stomach can be far more stimulating than a peck on the ear or neck. Although many men may show less enthusiasm for physical intimacy during a woman's menstrual period, some women find pleasure during this time. It's common for women to revel in kisses on the neck, and a notable number of them can only achieve orgasm through vaginal intercourse. Approximately 40% of women believe that foreplay should start with stimulating the nipples. Staying well hydrated before intimacy can enhance the chances of reaching orgasm, as it optimizes the body's response. In the case of anal intercourse, ejaculation might be delayed due to increased friction. Incorporating blindfolds into your intimate moments can heighten both the intensity of the orgasm and the overall sensations. So here's a fresh tip to experiment with alongside your partner. Achieving excellence in the bedroom often comes with experience and a willingness to both give and receive constructive feedback. No one is born with an inherent knowledge of sexual pleasure. It's something learned and shared. When a man is deeply in love, it's natural for him to proudly talk about his partner with his friends, and his demeanor might reflect his genuine affection. Conversely, when a woman is attracted to a man, she often speaks in a more gentle and tender tone. After reaching climax, many people find it easier to drift off to sleep. During orgasm, the heart rate can soar to an exhilarating 180 beats per minute, compared to a calm 60 beats per minute at rest. Interestingly, around 18% of women are capable of reaching orgasm without any external assistance. This exploration of intimacy reveals not only the intricacies of physical pleasure, but also the profound emotional connections that enhance our experiences. It's a journey of discovery, understanding, and ultimately a deeper connection with our partners. When it comes to enhancing intimacy, introducing a toy or using 2 fingers can be highly effective, with clitoral stimulation capable of bringing around 80% of women to orgasm. Interestingly, about 20% of women own erotic toys for personal pleasure. The missionary position remains the most favored by 80% of women for its comfort and pleasure. Standing intercourse, on the other hand, can help extend the duration and potentially speed up the female orgasm. Natural lubricants and saliva can intensify the sensations, but it's crucial to apply them carefully and not directly to the genitals. In the United States, there have Been at least 600 reported cases of strangulation during sex, underscoring the need for caution. Additionally, avoiding the doggy style position may help men prolong their endurance during intercourse. There are 3 positions that many women find particularly memorable: face-to-face clitoral stimulation using a vibrator in the doggy style position, and oral sex. It's important to note that over stimulating the clitoris can lead to discomfort, as it, like any sensitive area, requires time to recover. Just as men need a moment of rest after climax, women may also need to allow their clitoris to recuperate. The clitoris, similar to a man's organ, responds to both mental and tactile stimulation, becoming engorged with blood when aroused. Oral sex is a common sexual fantasy for both genders. However, the likelihood of both partners reaching orgasm simultaneously is relatively low, so it's best to savor the moment without undue expectations. Erotic sensations travel from the skin to the brain at a maximum speed of approximately 230 km/h. Women over May 30th exhibit a heightened interest in anal sex, and for many, psychological pleasure often follows physical pleasure, whereas men typically experience the reverse. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Adventurous women may be more inclined to provide oral sex, and regular intercourse at least once a week is vital for many women's physical and emotional well-being. Interestingly, single women often have a more active sex life compared to men in similar situations, which makes sense given their circumstances. For couples aiming to conceive, engaging in unprotected sex for about 5 months is recommended. The stop and squeeze method can be particularly useful in delaying ejaculation and extending the act, offering a helpful strategy for those dealing with premature ejaculation. Understanding these nuances not only enhances sexual pleasure but also deepens emotional connections. It's a journey of exploration and discovery where each partner learns more about themselves and their significant other, fostering a more fulfilling and intimate relationship. Dealing with premature ejaculation can be a deeply challenging and disheartening experience for many men. The frustration of not being able to control ejaculation during intimate moments can take a toll on one's confidence and relationship. The silver lining, however, is that there are effective solutions available for overcoming this issue. In the comments of this video, I'll be sharing a book that unveils proven techniques and secrets to conquer premature ejaculation and enhance your sexual satisfaction. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Spots are limited, so grab your copy from the video comments to start your journey toward a more fulfilling sex life. As we near the end of today's video, it's worth noting that many men find themselves more aroused in the morning. Typically, men are the ones who initiate kisses before sex, whereas women are more likely to engage in kissing afterwards. Sex toys have a rich history, with the oldest known examples dating back over 30,000 years. Discovered in German caves, women often have an innate desire for partners who are strong, decisive, intelligent, and self-assured. However, it's common for women to dislike having their heads or hair held during oral sex. Exploring a 3 can bring about complex emotions if one of the partners is romantically involved, as it may stir feelings of jealousy and insecurity. To truly satisfy a woman, it's essential to follow her guidance when using your fingers. She knows best how and where she wants to be touched. Mastering the art of kissing is crucial for pleasing a partner in bed. A lack of physical intimacy can lead to dissatisfaction and even infidelity in relationships. Some women may show their desire by wrapping their legs around their partner during sex, signaling a craving for deeper connection and pleasure. It's important to know that only a small fraction of women achieve orgasm solely through vaginal intercourse after reaching climax. A woman might need anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to fully unwind. The spooning position is highly recommended for stimulating the female peak of pleasure. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 2 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Sensual lingerie can be a powerful confidence booster for women, setting the stage for a more exciting and intimate experience. Vibrators offer a fast, effective, and straightforward method for clitoral stimulation. Women who frequently use sex toys generally experience higher sexual desire, more frequent orgasm, and fewer sexual issues. Understanding these nuances can greatly enhance your intimate relationships, making them more satisfying and emotionally fulfilling. It's a journey of mutual discovery and connection where both partners learn to meet each other's needs and deepen their bonds. So what have you learned so far? We've covered a lot of ground, from the subtle nuances of female pleasure to the powerful techniques that can enhance your intimate life. I'm curious, what's the one thing you've learned today that you're excited to bring into practice? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us continue bringing valuable content like this to you. See you in the next video.